Hey, so I just told you about GoBrunch and the updates with integrating with Stripe so as you can charge for your communities and start making money. Can you imagine? So you can turn around and lock certain rooms in the community and have them just for paid access. So you can do it tiers where you could have a paid access to come to the one room, and then to get into the other room, the inner room, you can have a tier to pay a little bit more. So like 19.99 for one, 29.99 for one, 59.99 for one, whatever you want to charge. It's crazy. You build your communities and it's going to be great. But that's not all. We've got a couple of other updates that I want to bring to your attention that maybe aren't so sexy, but just as important, and you're going to love to know them to make your group a better place to be. So check this out right now. Jump in with me. We're going to take a look. Okay, so this is GoBrunch. Okay, now we're going to go to my spaces. I got a bunch of spaces. We got different ones like George this week. We're going to go to pest control for the people to mess around here. So now tap anywhere to get into your place here. Now the chat. That's what I want to talk about. The chat. So now they have a feature where you can, down here, you can add a photo in the chat. So if I want to add this photo and then just go like, and boom, now it's in the chat, right? Pretty cool. And we got the link there for that. If you want to download it, you can download the picture. Pretty cool thing there, right? So that is one option. One upgrade is to that. The next option is this over here in the globe, the communities. You can hit the communities and you can send them a mass text, all right, a mass message to the whole place, right? Pretty cool, pretty easy, pretty nice. We'll minimize that. The other update that's really cool is if you come to this room, right, you can come up to room settings. And over here, the room layout, dynamic mode, presentation mode, you can now set this so that it's automatic. So like if you're in presentation mode, they're in presentation mode. If you're in dynamic mode, they're in dynamic mode. So they're on mobile and you're not, and they're messed up because they can't see the presentation because they don't have it set right. This can fix that problem for you. Definitely, for sure. Yeah. So those are three pretty cool updates for GoBrunch. Yeah, if you're looking to build a community, forget Zoom, forget schools, forget high level, go high level. GoBrunch has just about everything they have. You can send messages, you can send emails, you can have different groups. The groups can be so diverse. You can have a lobby, you can have an inner office, you can have a meeting room, you can have a breakout room, you can have individual meeting rooms, you can have a collab room. I have a room where people in my community can go when I'm not there anytime and collab with each other and show each other stuff and figure out stuff and ask each other questions. And I don't have to be there. And it really builds the community and it keeps everybody engaged, okay? Because everybody feels like they're contributing to the community. That's what a community is, right? So GoBrunch is a great place for that. Click the link down in there. I'll leave a 10% coupon for GoBrunch. You're not going to be sad that you got it. Okay, it's really, if you're doing Zoom meetings and company meetings, this thing you can totally customize the whole room so that it has your company logo, your company colors, your company. You could have a picture of your company meeting room and have people sitting in the company meeting room online. It's crazy. So yeah, check that all out. If you want to see my other videos on GoBrunch, by all means, check that out. Go to my my playlist and check that out. Yeah, don't miss out on GoBrunch.